Welcome back to Auto Insight, the place where true automotive luxury meets detailed storytelling. Today we're diving into something extraordinary, the officially unveiled new next-generation 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom in a stunning black finish, paired with an interior that redefines what ultra-luxury truly means. This isn't just a car reveal, it's the unveiling of a moving masterpiece. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom Black makes its presence felt even before it moves. The iconic upright grille now features subtle refinements, maintaining its timeless authority while embracing modern precision. The black exterior isn't just a color, it's a deep, mirror-like finish that absorbs light and reflects prestige. Rolls-Royce's signature coach lines glide effortlessly along the body, emphasizing the Phantom's commanding length and elegant proportions. The new generation brings smoother surfacing, enhanced aerodynamics, and sharper detailing around the headlights and taillights, all while staying unmistakably Phantom. Up front, the spirit of ecstasy stands proudly, subtly illuminated and more refined than ever. The laser headlights blend classic design with advanced technology, offering a jewel-like appearance that feels both traditional and futuristic. The massive wheels, finished in a dark polished tone, complement the black body perfectly, giving the Phantom a powerful yet graceful stance on the road. Open the famous rear hinged coach doors, and the world outside simply disappears. The interior of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom is a sanctuary of calm, craftsmanship, and quiet luxury. Every surface you touch feels intentional, from the hand-stitched leather to the open-pore wood veneers that are book-matched with absolute precision. Rolls-Royce continues to push the idea that luxury is personal, offering near-limitless customization options that allow owners to create a truly one-of-one interior experience. The dashboard is dominated by the signature gallery, now updated with a more immersive glass panel that houses bespoke artwork, digital displays, and refined instrumentation. It's not a screen in the traditional sense, but a curated exhibition that blends technology seamlessly into art. The digital elements are smooth, minimal, and designed to never distract from the serenity of the cabin. The seats are sculpted for ultimate comfort, offering new massage programs, climate-controlled surfaces, and enhanced cushioning that adapts to your body. In the rear, the Phantom truly shines. This is where passengers are treated like royalty, with executive lounge seating, extended legroom, and reclining functionality that turns every journey into a first-class experience. The Starlight headliner has been further enhanced, now offering more depth, customizable constellations, and even subtle motion effects that mimic the night sky. Ambient lighting flows softly throughout the cabin, perfectly balanced to enhance mood without overpowering the senses. The black exterior theme carries into the interior with elegant contrasts, dark leathers paired with metallic accents and soft highlights that create a dramatic yet soothing atmosphere. It feels exclusive, intimate, and undeniably Rolls-Royce. Under the hood, the 2026 Phantom continues to deliver effortless performance. The refined V12 engine provides smooth, near-silent power, emphasizing grace over aggression. Acceleration is seamless, and the ride quality remains unmatched thanks to the latest evolution of the Magic Carpet Ride suspension system. Advanced cameras and sensors read the road ahead, adjusting the suspension in real time to ensure that bumps are barely felt. Technology in the Phantom is present, but never intrusive. Advanced driver assistance systems work quietly in the background, offering confidence and safety without demanding attention. Connectivity features are refined, intuitive, and designed to support a luxurious lifestyle rather than overwhelm it. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom Black isn't about chasing trends or competing with rivals. It exists in its own world, where time slows down and every detail matters. It's a statement of success, taste, and individuality, crafted for those who expect nothing less than perfection. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the next generation 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom, stay connected with Auto Insight for more exclusive automotive stories, official unveilings, and luxury car experiences. This is more than a car, it's a legacy on wheels.